We back on doing some.
We all do fix the computer. Let's go.
Let me write Mr. Tomatoes.
Oh hell no.
What the hell?
Mr. Sexy, what the hell?
Yes, did you?
I love you.
My game, buddy.
No shit, Sherlock. Blender. Let's play, bro.
Welcome back.
Let me.
Yo, guys, I'm deaf, so I'm a little bit big.
Wait, I didn't hear, bro. I didn't hear, bro.
No, it was strawberry.
Let me do it.
Definitely. Yo, dog. I'm deaf. I'm sorry, guys. I'm deaf.
Oh, let me play.
He said bacon. A bit or something like
but-
that. Bacon. I'm deaf
I did not
actually.
ask for this.
Oh, I'm
I
deaf.
want strawberry.
Potato.
Did a potato penis.
I did not ask
I
for
give a
this.
fuck.
I want a donut.
Yo, guys, I'm deaf. Sorry.
Sorry, guys. I'm a.
Sorry, guys. I'm a
Chicken
little bit
soup?
deaf.
Chicken soup?
Yo, you're right. Chicken cream.
Yo, chicken cream. Put those chicken and cream and make these nuts with it. Oh, we only got that donut. Let's give that to bro then. Let's get that to bro. That's not bro around it.
I want a
What?
cheeseburger.
That's not what I want to be.
Bro, dumb ass.
These nuts.
Where the fuck is this? Ow.
Sorry about that.
Yo,
Wait.
guys.
We're sorry.
Okay, let's feed bro.
Yo, wait, what's happening?
He said cheeseburger.
I did not ask for this. I want a cucumber.
Let's give bro a cucumber. Let's give that bro a cucumber.
Give back cucumber.
I want some chocolate soup.
Oh, wait, it said chocolate soup.
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh, I forgot, guys.
I forgot.
I have a little memory, so I'm sorry.
He said bacon.
I said bacon. Dumbass.
I said bacon.
Oh!
I did not ask for this. I want some cream.
Oh, he wants some C-U-M.
Cream.
Okay, I can't go.
I did not ask for this. I want strawberry.
Strawberry. Give bro strawberry.
Yo, yeah, you're
Give
right.
yeah.
I'm not deaf anymore.
I'm not dead.
I didn't hear what he
He
said.
said pepper or ice.
Pepper. Give bro
I
sugar.
did not ask.
I meant candy.
I want a glass of water.
Oh my god, my arrow keys are not even working properly.
Okay, candy.
Here we go. You like it? Delicious.
Okay, now give bro water. Now give bro.
Delicious. 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 Delicious.
Wait, give me the mic. Now give and give bro the water. Now give bro the water. Oh shit. Give bro the water. Why are you eating the
I
water?
want to eat some salad.
Yo, bro ate the water. with
Finally,
Fucking cup.
finally, bro eating something normal.
fish.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't hear what the fuck he said.
Eat some chocolate.
Oh.
Chocolate soup.
Okay, guys, chocolate with the ice. We going good.
Chocolate with the ice means ice cream. I'm a chocolate.
Oh shit.
I want some cream.
Cream.
He said lemonade. He said
No, he
lemonade.
said cream.
He said lemonade.
Where's bro?
Ooh.
Cheese.
Oops. Oh, I forgot.
Guys, I'm
I
dead
did
deaf
not
again.
ask for this. want some ice.
Ice.
Mmm.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Ice. Now give bro some ice apples.
I want a glass of milk.
Now give bro spaghetti. Give bro.
I'm gonna give him strawberry milk, bro.
Yes, strawberry milk. That makes sense.
Where is the mouth?
Dog, where is bad boy. Oh, come on, man! Oh,
Where the hell did it go? What? Where did it go? Holy shit.
it just vanished, guys. Can you guys believe this shit?
Bro, where's the mouse? Where's that? Ah, hell no, bro. We can't find the thing. Delete that. Okay. I can't find the spaghetti.
Yo,
Game.
can you close the door, please? I'm gonna fuck this keyboard.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Guys, we back.
My bad. Yup, man. No.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna close this video because I hate Mr. Tom. What the hell?